Get creative with your mobile video's top 5 video editing apps for 2023.
Here are top 5 video editing apps for your mobile for 2023.
Discover the best apps for editing professional-looking videos on your smartphone. From beginners to advanced users, these apps are perfect for all video editing needs. A popular video editing app, Adobe Premiere Rush offers editing tools like trimming and adjusting audio, transitions, and color grading. Available on both desktop and mobile, it's perfect for creating high-quality videos on the go. InShot allows users to easily resize, trim, and adjust the speed of their videos. With a variety of filters and effects, it's perfect for creating social media content like Instagram stories and TikTok videos. Built in on all Apple devices, iMovie is a great choice for beginners. With its simplicity and easy-to-use interface, users can add titles, effects, and soundtracks to create professional-looking videos in minutes. KineMaster is a powerful video editing app that offers a wide array of features, including multiple layers of video, text, and images. With its user-friendly interface, KineMaster is perfect for both beginners and professionals alike,